Hello everyone. In this video, we'll show you how to connect and use MCP with the inZOI mode kit using Cloud Code as an example. Cloud Code is just one of many tools that support MCP. It isn't required, and you can follow the same workflow using ChatGPT, Gemini, or any other AI client or large language model that supports MCP. In this tutorial, we'll use Cloud Code to demonstrate the setup process. If you prefer a different LLM or AI client, simply follow the equivalent MCP configuration process for your chosen tool. Before we begin, you'll need a Claude account. If you don't already have one, please create one first. Cloud Code is a version of Claude that runs in a command line environment such as Windows PowerShell, rather than through the standard Claude web interface. The inZOI MCP we'll connect today acts as a bridge between Cloud Code and inZOI, allowing Claude to interact directly with the game. Once it's connected, you can control inZOI using natural language instead of manually entering complex comments. For example, you can ask Claude to find a character, change a character's appearance, or perform interaction in the game. Let's get started. First, open Windows PowerShell. Copy and paste the following command, then press Enter to install Cloud Code. Once the installation is complete, enter the following command to verify that Cloud Code launches correctly. Claude. After confirming that everything is working, close PowerShell. Next, we'll create a folder for the inZOI MCP. Create a new folder on your desktop. You can name it anything you like. In this example, we'll call it inZOI MCP. Open the folder, click the address bar in File Explorer, type PowerShell, and press Enter. This opens a PowerShell window with the current folder already set as the working directory. Now launch inZOI and leave the game running. Return to PowerShell and enter the following command. Once it's finished, verify that the MCP has been registered successfully by running Cloud MCP list. If inZOI game appears in the list, the MCP has been registered successfully. Next, launch Cloud Code by entering the following command. Claude. The first time you launch Cloud Code in this folder, you may be asked whether you trust the folder. Select option 1 to continue. If your Claude account hasn't been connected yet, you won't be able to submit prompts. Enter the following command. Then select option 1 and sign in through your web browser using the Claude account you prepared earlier. Once you've completed these steps, Cloud Code and the inZOI CLI MCP are successfully connected. You can now use natural language to control Claude and access a variety of inZOI features through MCP.